Hello friends, the topic of today's video is for those of you who spend a lot of time on Facebook every single day. This video is going to be very important because Facebook actually offers a specific setting which, if you enable it, will ensure that your eyes suffer absolutely no damage. Even if you happen to spend 5 or 6 hours daily browsing Facebook, your vision will remain completely unaffected. Turning on this particular feature will prove incredibly beneficial for you, especially when using it late at night. So without any further hesitation or delay, let's jump right into this truly interesting video. To begin, you'll first need to open up the Facebook application on your device. Once you've successfully entered Facebook, you will then navigate to your profile icon. After you've accessed your profile icon, you'll then locate and click on the three dot button. First, you'll need to click on the three dot button, pause. Then you'll scroll down a bit and you'll find yourself needing to enter the settings and privacy section. Pause. Once you've entered settings and privacy, you'll then go into settings itself. Pause. From there, just keep scrolling down and eventually you will see an option that is clearly labeled dark mode there. Please click on this dark mode option. After you click on dark mode, you should then enable the dark mode feature here. Once dark mode is activated, even if you spend a lot of time online or using Facebook late at night, the bright light from your mobile screen will not cause significant damage to your eyes. The entire screen will become black. Your eyes will be safe and sound. If this video has been helpful to you, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to receive more interesting videos like this in the future. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon to get them first.